today we're going to focus on is the M. Okay, that is the name of this letter M. Okay, M. Okay, so it's a capital M and a lowercase m. Okay, but the sound this letter makes is the M sound. M, M, M. Okay, so your lips are together and you're like humming M. Okay, and your lips open at the end of the sound. M. Make sure you're saying it at home with me, please, and practicing. So our first word with today's sound is map. Okay, M, A, P, map. M, A, P, map. Okay, I have a map in my hands. Okay, I have a map. Okay, map, map. I will use the map to find another location. Map, map. Okay, super. Going on to our next word with the M sound is mouth. Okay, mouth. I'm using my mouth to talk, obviously. Mouth. Ow. Mouth. Ow. Mouth. Okay. Ow. Mouth. Okay, we've got two letter sounds here. We've got the ow sound and we've got the f sound. Okay, so that's two letters making one sound and two letters making one sound. Ow, f, mouth. Okay, so in total there we have how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters. How many sound? Ow, f. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 sounds there. Okay, so going on to our last one with this sound is maybe. Okay, maybe. A, B, E. Maybe. A, B, E. Maybe. Okay. A. We've got the A digraph 2-letter sound here. A, B, E. Maybe. Okay. So here, at the end of the word, you might be thinking, but you said in the previous lesson that this is the E sound. Okay. And usually it is, but in some words it does make the E sound, like in she, we, and he, and other words, okay? So sometimes this letter, the E letter, or the E letter shapes makes the E sound as well, okay? So maybe, A-B-E, maybe. Maybe I will go to the park because it is sunny, or maybe I won't because maybe I want to chill at home. Okay, so let's say all of them together. Say it with me at home, please. Map, app, map, mouth, 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 and maybe, A-B-E, maybe. Thanks for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.